Ball lightning has mystified observers and scientists for centuries. Witnesses describe it as glowing spheres appearing during thunderstorms and floating erratically. The phenomenon's elusive behavior has sparked countless theories, from natural electrical explanations to supernatural causes. Historical accounts are abound, including 19th-century depictions where these luminous balls entered homes, causing fear and fascination. Despite advancements, the mechanism behind ball lightning remains unsolved, with its brief appearances challenging comprehensive scientific study. This enigmatic spectacle continues to captivate the imagination, representing both the power and mystery of nature's unfathomed phenomena.